Good morning, guys. Welcome back. We're to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking the 300 on a little bit of a road trip. So what we're picking up is actually going to be something that I'm going to do on a second channel. But guys, y'all know we just did the cold air intake on the car. Well, it's been a little while for y'all, but a couple weeks ago for me. Haven't drove the car a ton. We're about to hit 150,000 miles in this thing, and we'll probably do it on this trip. So what we're actually doing, if y'all don't know, I'm in Central Arkansas. So we're going from Central Arkansas down to Little Rock up to Memphis, and picking up some stuff, or one thing. We're actually picking up a laser engraver. So with that being said, if y'all are interested in that kind of thing, and yes, I just woke up. It's 9:30 in the morning. I didn't go to sleep till like 3. But anyway, we are going to Memphis. We're picking up a laser engraver thing. So that is going to be on a second channel. I'll put a picture up here on the screen of that channel. I posted some videos there before, and then I kind of quit because we didn't have a whole lot going on, so I just quit making videos. But I'm going to be posting on that channel with the laser, with the powder coating, decals, shirts, dye sublimation, all that kind of stuff. So I have all that stuff equipment wise in there from JS, but I've actually been thinking about getting back into that stuff, and I wanted to have a different channel for like business stuff anyway. So with that being said, I'm gonna take the 300 here. We gotta go to the bank, and I gotta go pick up some windshield wipers. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, and these are terrible. So I'm gonna go pick up some new windshield wipers, go to the bank, grab some cash. I actually found a really good deal on this laser. So anyway, and the first video on that channel is going to be like a vlog type deal. So I will leave a link to that channel down below if y'all want to go check it out. But anyway, like I said, I'm running up here to the bank, grab some cash. I'm also going to get some of these, that way it smells nice on a 5-6 hour trip. So anyway, I'm gonna head up there, and well, I guess I'll catch y'all when we get back. Okay, so what I did is I called AutoZone, see what they recommended for the car, for the windshield wipers, and we got 22s. So if you're wondering about these, decided to give these a try. I don't know anybody that's ran these before, or how like all this works, but we're gonna try it and see. So we was kind of concerned they wouldn't fit, because they were a decent bit longer than what was on the car. But I mean, I guess we're thinking that they just had too short of wipers on this car anyway. So they don't hit here, they don't hit over there, so we should be good. So anyway, we're gonna throw the old wipers in the trunk. That way if we need them for any weird reason. So I guess with that being said, we are good to go to head to Memphis in the morning. So I guess I'll catch y'all about 5 o'clock in the morning, and we'll head to Memphis. All right, so it is the next morning. As you can see, it is raining. Now we get to test out our new wipers. So anyway, I'm gonna pull up here, that way my grandpa don't have to walk through the yard, because it is a muddy mess. It's been raining since last night. No, that falls off again. But like I said, it's been raining since last night, so it is a muddy mess. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead, head out now. Like I said, it is currently 5 something in the morning. So I'm gonna go fill this thing up, probably fill it up just outside of Little Rock, and we'll head to Memphis. All right, so just filled the 300 up, and like I said, I'm gonna go ahead, head to Memphis and get my receipt here, because this is most definitely gonna be a business write-off. But like I said, head to Memphis, and let's see how the 300 does. This is the first time I've really drove the car a whole lot since we did the intake and all that kind of thing. And well, like I mentioned, there is going to be a video for the other channel about what we're going to get. All right, so we have made it here to Bass Pro. So we're gonna wait for the guy to get here, and well, I guess we're gonna pick up a laser engraver. All right, so we actually had, my grandpa wanted to stop at this rest area. It's actually a really nice rest area here in Arkansas. I don't exactly know what town this is, but anyway, the 300 is doing amazing. Super comfortable. It's super good. I've been setting the cruise and just letting it go. Kick my feet up over here and just just cruise. I'll just kind of rest my hand on the steering wheel and cruise. So if anybody was wondering, since we did the colder intake and whatnot, we drove from North Little Rock, that's where we stopped and filled up at, to Memphis, and then back a little ways. I seen a gas station that had pretty good gas price. Let me cover up that stuff, but $23.51 is what it costs to drive from North Little Rock to Memphis and then back a little ways. And then this morning when we filled up, $22.31. So I would say for I think this is like a 4,400 pound car with a 5.7 Hemi, that ain't too terribly bad. If we go into the pages here, 20.5, even with traffic in Memphis, because there was some traffic going into Memphis. There was actually a wreck on the bridge. So anyway, that is that. And I'm thinking, I know, pretty much know, before we get home, we are going to hit 150 in this car. So anyway, like I said, I'm probably going to get out, walk around some, maybe, we'll see. And like I said, I am filming like 2 videos on this trip. One is for the other channel, so again, I will leave a link for it down below in the description. But anyway, I'm gonna do a little filming for that, and like I said, I might get out and walk around some, and then I guess I'll catch y'all back in Greenbrier. Okay guys, so it's a few days later, but I wanted to show this before I reset it again. Average fuel mileage 21.6, 75 on the interstate. So we're actually about to leave again. It's running down because we're sitting here idling, but we're actually about to leave out again. So I will catch y'all when we get back, and we'll end out today's video. All right, so it's another day again. I apologize for that. Kind of been all over the place this week, and you can see now we got all 3 over here. My grandpa moved them all over here for mowing, but I'm probably going to park the white truck a little straighter. The 300 we're about to take back out again, but the 300 did absolutely amazing to the trip to the Memphis trip. I mean, this poor car is filthy. I mean, you can see that. It's all over the car. This poor thing is filthy, filthy, filthy. Now, let's see. I don't remember if we looked at mileage. There you go. So, close to 600 miles, 700 miles in the last week in this car. But on the interstate, the thing did amazing. Set the cruise, kind of lean back in the seat, and just let it go. So, like I said, car did great. Now, again, I will leave a link in the description if y'all want to check out the second channel. That's what we've been doing most of this week, is laser stuff, figuring out the laser, all of that kind of thing, and making, I think I've got 2 videos filmed for that channel already. The first one will go live when this video goes live. If not the next day, I'll have to see, or maybe I'll do it the day before. That way y'all can go from this one and straight to that channel and check out that video. But anyway, I got another video coming right after this from a few days ago. I guess last time I filmed. I think we already have somebody that we're going to be laser engraving some stuff for. So anyway, like I was saying, I want to go ahead and finish this video up because it's supposed to start raining today and rain all the way through the 10-day forecast. So who knows, maybe more, which sucks. But anyway, I guess it is what it is. Can't change it, so no need to worry about it. But anyway, guys, I think that's going to be a wrap for this one. So with that being said, the car did great. Super happy with it. Super happy with the cold air inductions, cold air intake. Big shout out to those guys. Awesome intake. Car did great. Like I said, nice and quiet. But when you get on it, like I mentioned in the video, you can really hear the engine, which is awesome. But anyway, guys, like I said, I think that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video or find it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.